I haven't done this in so long. I need to remember. Gotta remember to press record. So there was obviously big news yesterday of the ceasefire, which is great, which means that we probably aren't due for any Trump tweets within the next couple days. Really, for the next, I would say for the next, put it at, till the end of this week at least. Till the end of this week at least. So we have a lot of low resistance liquidity to the downside here. We got market open. We swept out these highs. We're maintaining bearish structure to the downside on the 5 minute. It's kind of a tricky situation with this big move up. I'm not super antsy to trade. There's really nothing pushing me super heavily to want to get into a trade. The next draws in liquidity are all the way up here on ES. We've already taken these guys out, so the next one would be right here. On NASDAQ, ideally we get a retrace on this 4 hour. How deep it goes, that's pause, yeah, holy pause. But how deep it goes, that's a whole nother story. To be quite honest with you, I don't really want to take a trade today. Obviously we'll get on here, and if price shows us some good stuff, then we'll definitely take something. But I'm more leaning on the side of let me not take anything, and just see where price wants to go. Because we just had such a massive move up. Just look at oil, literally. Look at oil. That will solve all of our problems. Long that bitch, fuck it. You think we'll come to equilibrium of this 4 hour swing? No, not on the first retrace. There's just no shot. Especially on a move that's this big, bro. You really think we're gonna retrace all the way back down here? It's just not happening, bro. Timmy, stop trading. I don't want to talk about that guy, bro. So NASDAQ has taken out both of these lows. ES has not yet taken out London lows. We made relative equal lows though, so we should be taking it out pretty soon. Equal lows now. Should smash it in the next 2 seconds. We'll see. Oh. Ew. All right, so ES took out these London lows. What to do? I'm feeling in love with you. All right, price is falling. This is honestly what we want. Iran breaks ceasefire, they would not do that this early, bro. They might do it, but they would be stupid to do that this early. They would be stupid to do that this early. Thank you for the 100 kicks, whatever that means. 100 bits, maybe? It's like equivalent. Like bits? Okay, cool. They did break it? Really? Are they stupid? Hey! Thank you for the gifted sub. They bombed Tel Aviv? What? There's no way. They sent missiles to Tel Aviv? Did they dead ass do that? Yo, what? Israel's not part of the ceasefire, bro. They didn't? Yeah. I don't think Iran did that, bro. Yeah, Israel's not included, bro. Israel's been like a war zone for the past like 5 years, so. I think that's uncharted territory for this Iran ceasefire thing. I could say. All right, you guys are talking, bro. Stop saying that Israel bombed whoever and whatever, because that doesn't apply to the U.S. A million things I could say. I mean, it does, but like, bro, y'all just be spamming. This person bombed this. Yes, bro. Everybody's bombing everybody right now, and the market isn't affected by it. So. All right, so right now we're taking out these lows. Haven't really seen any good reason to look for anything right now, to keep it a buck with you. All right, let's see what happens off London lows here. This is kind of where we would want some action. I'm jerking my shit on B. You have issues because you probably are doing that. Fucking along that bitch? Nah, not yet. All right, let's see if price wants to do anything. Right now, there's not much for me to like go off of. I'm honestly just staying patient, seeing what price wants to do. Not super anxious to take a trade, but we look pretty good. We came down, swept out all these lows. It would be nice if we left like a big hourly wick so that we could just continue this move up. That's what I wanted. I wanted price to come down. I want price to come down, sweep out these hourly lows, and then continue this uptrend. That's what I would personally want. So we're looking good right now on this move up. Hell yeah. So the next thing that I would want to look for, since we're getting these extensions to the upside, I want to see a break of structure to the downside into some form of like equilibrium. I want to see a change in order flow on the 1 minute down into whatever, some sort of 5 minute equilibrium, something along those lines. So we broke structure to the upside on the 1 minute. That's great, but that's not enough for me to take a trade because we could very well just be gearing up to go lower. So what I would want to see would be for us to come down, break structure to the downside on the 1 minute into like a 5 minute equilibrium or maybe a 5 minute gap. And then from there, I'm going to look for a 1 minute breakup, and then boom, that's going to be it for me. I'm on the wave.
You keep me right.
Holy big candle. New built house tour. I'll do one once it's fully finished. I'll do like a full vlog on it. It's gonna be sick once it's all said and done. So even though we're filling this gap, I don't really want to enter off of us respecting this bullish gap. I want to wait for a 5 minute retrace. Even if that means I have to enter like higher up here, like if price pushes up and then gives me breaks down and then gives it to me right here, I would rather do that than enter blindly on this, because price easily could just break down and then continue this downtrend. I'm on the wave. We have so much imbalanced price action. Why would you even want to look for long? I mean, yeah, fair point. So all of this down here was caused from like a news event though. And typically when we have like a big move up like this, we don't immediately come down and fill it. The market, here, let me turn this down. The market doesn't move in V's, okay? So when we have a sharp move up, we typically will go sideways and then go up a little bit more and then come down to fill this massive gap. It's very rare that we get V-shaped retracements after a big move up, then a big move down following that. So again, because you gotta think orders need to be filled. So this massive move up, we probably need to target some sort of significant draws on liquidity for us to be able to at least be able to come back down. So right now, so again, everybody that was in longs, that was a pretty poor decision again, because that's exactly what I said. Why didn't I want to take this long right here? because we're still in a downtrend on the 5 minute. So is that a smart play to take? No, not at all. Because we still had opportunity to, because this was essentially a 5 minute retrace on the 5 minute. And if we got a break to the downside, or if we wanted to go lower, then that was fully possible. So that's why I wasn't looking along this right here. We're getting legs down now on both the indexes. Let's see what happens here. We could just continue this massive trend down, and then, you know, if that's the case, I don't really know if, I mean, we still have these draws, but we've taken out a decent amount of draws to the downside already. I don't really know how willing I would be to look for more shorts today. So we got this break right here to the downside. Obviously, there wasn't much opportunity because we broke structure all the way down here. Had we broken structure a little bit higher, maybe I would have considered shorting down to these lows and these lows right here, but we closed all the way down here. There was just no chance. Something that we can look for, though, is the fact that we are sweeping out these lows right now. Okay, if we can wick out these lows and then start disrespecting bearish order flow, like disrespecting maybe this gap right here, and on NASDAQ, if we disrespect this gap right here, I would love to take longs. But obviously, we have to disrespect bearish order flow. So let's see here if we get a break of structure to the upside. If we get a break of structure to the upside, you know, I think that looks pretty good. Personally, I wouldn't want to long immediately off a break of structure to the upside. I would want to see a little bit more. Like, I would want to see a break of structure to the upside on the 1 minute, and then some sort of bullish confluence that gets respected, and then I would be for sure down to take some longs. Can you please mark highs and lows? Bruh. What are you talking about? Okay, potential bullish SMT here. I'm not gonna lie, if we get a bullish SMT on NASDAQ, could low-key long that bitch, fuck it. Just de-risk a little bit. It's kind of what I'm thinking. A de-risked long. If we break structure, I would want to break on both the indexes though. See what happens. If we get this bullish SMT, took a 6K payout after your Zoom webinar. Hell yeah, bro. Congrats. Glad I could be of service. All right, so potential bullish SMT. Let's see if we can break structure. See, actually, I'm not sure, because if If we break structure here, I don't know how, because we just closed underneath this low. I don't know if I like that. I would want us to break structure, and then I don't want to long after we break here. I would want to break. What time is it? I would want to break, and then I would want to retrace into a bullish confluence. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see what price gives us. Still nothing. We put in a new high here on NASDAQ. So if we break here, I still do not want to take this. I want to be patient, because patience is going to pay us today.
Between you and me. Easily. Easily. Your news. Easily. This is a game. Between you and me.
Someone said turn down the music. Turn down your volume, dumbass. Actually, matter of fact, mods ban that guy. Alright, bro. Can we get some motion, please? Another potential bullish SMT. Alright. So if we break this here, I still don't want to long. I want to be patient, because we're still bearish on the 5 minute. This is, if we take this trade, this is the exact trade that would have gotten us stopped out on this right here. So I want to see a break and then some sort of 1 minute continuation. Damn, bro, we just put in another high. Okay, ES, no break just yet. I genuinely, like, I think longing here is super stupid. We need a lot more confirmation. Let's see, do we have a 5 minute gap here? We'll keep that shit in mind. We don't have one on NASDAQ, so. Let's see, ES looks like we're gonna break structure to the upside. NASDAQ, we're not quite there yet. Okay, so ES broke structure to the upside, NASDAQ didn't. NASDAQ's looking like ass right now. The S&P broke structure, I know, but NASDAQ hasn't. Let's see what ES does off this 1 minute gap. Let's see equilibrium as well. NASDAQ looks horrible. I keep farting like crazy. NASDAQ is disgusting. Bro. Still nothing. I would want ES to come down, sweep these lows, and then show continuation higher. Getting kind of late into market open here, boys. Wow, I keep farting, bro. Another high. Okay. Got 30 seconds to see what we do on this 5 minute gap. It would be fire if we could inverse this. We're struggling on this gap, like big time. So let's see if we break structure here. Even if we inverse this gap, I need NASDAQ to break structure. And even if NASDAQ breaks structure, I want to wait for more confirmation. We're still far from these highs. Okay, so NASDAQ didn't break structure. We did inverse the gap. I still think that we can come down, or that we should come down and sweep out these 1 minute lows here. Like sweep these out and then give us continuations higher. That would be my ideal. I would want that to happen. Yeah, right now. Hold up, I'm gonna go pee. Give me a second.
Get up there, get up there.
Nice. Okay, exactly what I wanted to happen happened. We swept out these lows. It's looking great now. Did we break structure? We did. Okay, let's see what happens off these lows. Let's see what happens. Yes. Okay, yeah, this looks sexy. I low-key want to enter. Let me see how this closes. I'm gonna take this. This is, to be honest, very risky. But, long that bitch, fuck it. I guess. Kind of a risky, crazy ass trade if you ask a guy like me. What did you enter off of? Hopes and dreams, bro. Genuine hopes and dreams. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. I risked enough to where if I get stopped out on this, then one, I can enter again, or two, once I get more confirmation, I can enter with more. So... oh my, okay, there we go. So I got stopped out on that. Okay, not bad. I only lost 38K. So I was... okay, so now that might have been the actual move down that we needed, which sucks, but... like, why do I want to enter again right now? I'm gonna wait for more confirmation, but... I still want longs here on ES. Just entered a little bit prematurely. Don't trade again? Nah, I'm going to. See now I want to just get in the exact same trade as before. All right, let's see. Going in with the same amount of risk as last time, this could completely stop me out, and I'm completely fine if it does. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. This could go horribly or well. Let's see. This could go horribly. Trading like Togi? Bruh. I mean, you gotta think from my perspective, one on Monday, one on Tuesday, low risk trade on this one, gets stopped out. There's no reason to get back in this, especially with the wins that we took the past 2 days. Like, I'm still up 120K on the week, so. Let's see if we can break back up here. If we can't get back up, then it's cooked, it's over. But I like how we look right now, I can't lie. Am I grasping at straws, wanting London highs? I think I am. Realistically, I should have waited for a 1 minute break of structure to the upside here. So I kind of got to hope that ES breaks to the upside right now. And NASDAQ. If we don't get a break to the upside, then I mean, obviously it's cooked. We're going to go lower. See what the hourly's hitting for. I don't really like the way that looks. Okay, so hourly equilibrium, it's like these highs. I love that as my first TP. And then if we want to break out of this, then this can be the second, and then maybe like overly ambitious TP all the way up here. I don't know, I should have waited for a 1 minute break to the upside, so let's hope that we get it. Bruh, no break. Ugh. I really don't like how the market's looking right now. It's not doing anything. NASDAQ looks like shit. We got to get this break up. Bruh, we got to get a break. Yeah, bro, to be honest, this shit's looking ugly. NASDAQ's just so choppy. Same with ES, but it's not as choppy. Still pretty ugly, though. Is that a break? No. Range is horrible. Go break even? Price is already at break even, bruh. Call it a day. Too late. I'm in another trade, bro. Too late. Bro, this chop is bad. I would like just big candles through this. If we just toss like a wick above this high, it looks fucking spooky. Bro, this range is stupid. I don't like how we swept this high out and we're rotating down off of it. I want like big candles up, bruh. Come on. Bust through these highs, please. Just bust through them. If not, it's over. Damn, bruh. Been going sideways for the past 30 minutes. Close the trade? Nah. I mean, if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I know the risk that I took. Again, I was fine taking both of these because I'm up 120 on the week right now. If I lose this, then I'll be down a lot more, but... see, that's the last thing that I wanted, for us to sweep these highs and then go lower. It's over. It's over. It's over. Unless we can turn this shit up right now, it's over. Move your stop a bit? Bro. All of these suggestions are horrible. We need candles to the upside right the fuck now. We need to inverse this bearish gap right the fuck now. We need that to be the liquidation. We need that to be the liquidation. Finally, Nasdaq's moving a bit. Damn, don't do that. Ah, it's ugly, it's ugly, it's ugly, it's ugly. Don't put a down candle. Don't put a down candle or else it's over. Don't put a down candle or else it's over. Don't do it. Jeez, bro, these highs are just impossible to break. Nasty. Don't redeem it. Still in this damn gap, bro. I don't like the way that that looks. TJR loses. I was comfortable with the loss. Yeah, because I'm up $120,000 on the week, bro. Like, if you guys were on stream the past 2 days, okay, look, if you were on stream the past 2 days, we won on Monday, and then we won massively yesterday. So, of course, I'm comfortable with the loss. That would make me 2 for 1 on the week, bruh. And I even said I de-risked on this long right here. So, with this trade, then that's equal to, like, essentially 1 trade's worth of risk. So, of course, I'm willing to take this. All right, we inverse this on NASDAQ, and same here on ES, but to be honest, it doesn't really mean shit until we can blow past these highs. Right now, price just looks disgusting. How do you deal with those stupid questions? It's what comes with the job, man. Alright, ideally we break these highs, please. Or else we're literally just stuck in this fucking range all day. Oh man. To be honest, we're gonna be stuck in this range. I would rather just have this shit get over with and stop my shit out so I can get off. It's over. I've never met someone like you. Let's see if this takes me out. I'll probably lose like 70K on the day. Wait for Trump tweet. I don't think Trump's gonna tweet today, to be honest. Why risk so much? I mean, that's pretty typical of what I what I risk. I risked, or I mean, if I get stopped out on this, then total loss for the day would be 70K. Yeah, we're doing a whole bunch of nothing. I would honestly rather just price break out of this range and get me the fuck out of here. Kind of sick of sitting and waiting for this. Come on, bro. Let's just get this shit over with, please. Wait for oil inventories to drop in 2 minutes. Is that what we're waiting for? Oil inventory storage drop? Looks like we're gonna get stopped out here, brothers. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out. It's not looking good. It's not looking good. Not watching oil, that's honestly 100% why. Bro, just hurry up and take me out. Bang! There you go, I'm out. Wait. Wait. There we go. Now I'm out. Let's see how much I lost today. Damn, bit more than I wanted. 84K. So that makes me up only 79,000. Or here, wait, let me do this super quick so I can resync this. Okay. There you go. All right. So still up. Still up 73K, which isn't too bad. 2 wins and 1 loss for the week. Thursday, I probably won't trade. Oh my God, did my Wi-Fi deadass cut out? Okay, are we back? My Wi-Fi died. Are we back? Are we back? Are we back? Are we back? Bro, my Wi-Fi keeps cutting out. Anyways, 2 for 1 on the week. I probably won't trade Thursday. And Friday, I kind of doubt I'll trade too because it's CPI news data. So yeah, I'll probably just end this week like this, to be honest. I probably will just end this week like this. And then see what next week does. I'll probably be done trading this week. After that. Let's see what next week looks like. PPI. I mean, I guess you could full port. You could full port. Could full port CPI, but we know how that went last time. Bro, stop losses might take profit. Hey, bro, at least you made money. I didn't. I lost money today. Lose manually on CPI? Does he know that he's live? Yes. Tomorrow we'll make money. I'm probably not gonna trade tomorrow, to keep it a buck with you. I'll see though. I'm not gonna stream tomorrow though because I'm traveling, so I might trade. Call Tim. Funny enough, I think Tim took a signal today. He was texting me during stream. Which of all over the past 3 days, the one day that you wouldn't have wanted to take a hey Tiago, thank you for the gifted sub. See you in the desert, bruh. But anyways, yeah, I'm probably not going to trade tomorrow because I'm traveling, and then I will definitely not be trading on Friday because of CPI. So that's kind of what we're looking like. So unfortunate L's today, but it is what it is. We're still up on the week, so I'm honestly just going to end the week green and just catch it next week. Trade on Coachella? Nah. I mean, Coachella starts on Friday, and Friday's CPI news data, so there's no reason to even bother with that. And then next week we have a no news Monday, and then Tuesday we have PPI, Wednesday, Thursday, like literally no news at all next week besides PPI. But anyways, bros, appreciate y'all. I'll see you. I don't know when my next stream's gonna be, so I'll see you whenever I see you.